Hi, this is Izzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change language on Amazon. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Amazon is an international online retailer, and national border often have little impact on the company's reach or popularity. That means Amazon supports many languages. If English is not your preferred way to communicate, you can generally set Amazon to use whatever language you want to use. So, how to do it? It's very simple. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to log into our account. You can log in with your mobile apps or on the website using your PC or laptop. For example, here's I'm logging with my website on my PC. Now you can log in to Amazon account. From here, as you can see, by default, your Amazon set to English. And if you want to change it, you can see there's like a flag. You can just select on that, and from here you can change the language. You can use language that you want to use. There's a Dutch, Portuguese, Chinese. Here's all the language. For example, we change to Dutch. Now you can see the language is switched to Dutch. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change language on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So thank you and see you.